A bicycle gear system allows riders to adjust the bike's resistance and speed by changing the gear ratio between the pedals and the wheels. Here's a concise explanation of how it works. Components. Chain transfers power from the pedals to the rear wheel. Chainrings, front gears connected to the pedals. Cogs, sprockets, rear gears attached to the wheel hub. Derailleurs, mechanisms that move the chain between gears. Shifters, handlebar controls used to change gears. Cables connect shifters to derailleurs. How it works. Pedaling turns the chain rings, moving the chain which rotates the rear cogs and propels the bike. Shifting gears. Front derailleur moves the chain between front chain rings, controlled by the left shifter. Rear derailleur moves the chain between rear cogs, controlled by the right shifter. Gear ratio. Changing the combination of chain rings and cogs adjusts the pedaling effort and speed. Larger chain rings or smaller cogs make pedaling harder but faster, while smaller chain rings or larger cogs make pedaling easier but slower. Changing gears. Using shifters. Engaging a shifter pulls or releases a cable, moving the derailleur and shifting the chain. Smooth shifting. Shift gears before changes in terrain and reduce pedal pressure during shifts for smoother transitions. Maintenance. Clean and lubricate. Regularly maintain the chain and derailleurs to ensure smooth operation. In summary, a bicycle gear system uses chain rings, cogs, derailleurs and shifters to adjust the gear ratio, making it easier to handle different terrains by changing the pedaling resistance and speed.